Hello there. This Ford Focus has one of the most annoying features known to mankind. It's called message chimes. This means the car makes random beeping noises just for the sake of it. For example, when we press this set button, and when the ignition key is turned to accessories and we open the door. Don't worry though. Today I'll show you how to turn off these infuriating beeps without having to strike the car with one of these. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Okay. Step 1 is to insert the ignition key and turn it 2 clicks to the right. 1, 2, and now wait a moment for the instrument cluster to boot up, which it now has. Next, move to this wand on the left side of the steering wheel and note that it has a toggle switch here that moves up and down, and we also have a set button on the end that moves inwards, just like that. We're going to use that toggle switch and the set button to navigate a menu that appears in the instrument cluster on the lower of the 2 screens. So, we move the toggle switch down once, and the menu appears. We now need to move through the menu by toggling down again, and again, and again, and again, and we stop there on your settings. We now need to press the set button at the end of the wand. We've now entered a submenu, and we're going to once again use the toggle switch to navigate down it, and we're going to stop here on message chimes, where we have 2 options, on or off. And we can tell the chimes are currently set to on because of a tick here next to the word on. To move from on to off, simply press the set button. There we go. And finally, turn off the ignition to leave the menu. And naturally, if instead you want to turn the beeps on, then be tortured by irritating and unnecessary noises, it's the same process, just select on instead via the menu. There's a fly buzzing around in this car. Let's get him, shall we? Right, where is he? Oops. Anyway, that's it. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video? And while you do that, I'm going to buy a new window. Bye-bye.